So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in a Pocket, and we have got Qwen 3.827b model now. Yes, it has been released. It's the successor of Qwen 3.627b model, and I think shall be the go-to model. Can be taken as the biggest release of the year because it's the most usable model that everyone would be using in their local system. And the short video I'm running using Unsloth Qwen 3.827b in my local system. Yes, you heard it right. I would be running it using Unsloth. So as you can see, run Qwen 3.8 guide. You can see, first of all, what the team is asking is to install Unsloth desktop and then search for the GGS. So if I click here, hey, how it is going? How can I help you? So this is my Qwen 3.827b model. As you can see, the GGUF version which is running, giving out 1.3 tokens per second. So it's quite slow, but yeah, I will still take it up. What is 2 minus 3 plus 4 minus 7? So we'll input this. It'll take some time to generate because see, the token speed is very less because I'm on a okayish system, that is I have a VRAM of 4 GBs and 24 GB of RAM. So RAM is enough, but VRAM is not. So I'm still able to run the GGF version of Qwen 3.8 on just 4 GBs of RAM. So that's great. So let me see how it's working. You can see the user is asking me to calculate. It is able to load the model. 2 minus 3 plus 4 minus 7. The speed is slow, I think that's for sure, but I'm able to run the model, so that's the best part. Later on I'll be showing you to going to model hub and how you can choose your favorite version, your compatible version of Qwen 3.827b. Let me work through this step by step. 2 minus 3 equals to minus 1 minus 1 plus 4, and what answer it comes out, I want to see that. It is giving an answer as minus 4. Yeah, the answer is absolutely correct. So we would be getting a final output. The model is thinking in medium mode. I can reduce this also. If you can see none, low, medium, high, extra high, preserve thinking. So in that case, what will happen? Eventually, the speed will get affected, but the results will also get affected. So as you can see, this is my system config. VRAM is 4 GB, 24 GB of RAM, 8 about 12 CPU. So these are the cores. If you search for Qwen 3.8, all the different variants would be coming out. And if you see here, exceeds combined VRAM and system RAM budget for me. So I can't run this model. And even if I try to run it, it will be very slow. So similarly for this model also, it was coming as exceeds combined RAM budget. So Unslot desktop is quite a useful platform. As you can see, it is also mentioning how much RAM is required. Memory 9.9 GB. So you can have an idea ki whether you can run the model or not. So if I show you an example, something else, Qwen 0.8, I remember that model should be here. Yeah. So see, this is a green flag for me. Full offload likely possible on a system. So the speed that I would be getting for Qwen 3.5.8b GGF would be very fast on the system. So the software looks quite good, and you can now run Qwen 3.827b with just 4 GBs of RAM in your system using the GGF version. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day. You also try out the model, the biggest release of the year, because it's the most useful model, I would say, that you can use in your system. Thank you so much.